Welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to be working on the Mighty Max. We've almost got the engine out. It's just in by the starter, and then the motor mount bolts and the bell housing bolts. Yeah, we're gonna pull that out so we can fix the oil pan leak and then put her back in. I'm also waiting for off the front here. So I had this little ghetto shit I made to slide up in there, and yeah, that was for the cooling, for the thermostat housing. But I've got a different part in the mail on the way right now, so we're waiting on that. We are also in the process of swapping out the fuel pump. I've got the bed lifted up a bit. Got my buddy coming over right now. And we're just gonna lift the bed completely off the truck, swap the pump, put the bed back on, and see where the day takes us. I may pull the motor out today, or I may just wait because I've got some stuff coming. I don't want the engine just sitting out of the truck, so I will decide what's going on when that time comes. Other than that, I just took the spoiler off of the MR2. I want to paint this trunk and bumper some sort of black just to somewhat blend in with the body for now. Yeah, and then we've got some other plans with the MR2 soon, so stay tuned, stay patient with the uploads, and yeah, update you when something happens. Bed is off. There you go, hoon it around like that, huh?
Just slap a tape on it.
Just back half it?
There we go.
Yeah. Alright, now to pull this fucking stock ass fuel pump out and put in the goodies. What do we got? We'll show you. Messy ass garage. Ooh. We got the goods right there. DW255 or whatever. DW200, but it's a 255 OPH. Alright. Lines are off. Bolts are out. Let's see her. Holy shit.
Stock fuel pump.
Oh yeah. That'll explain why she wasn't starting. There's like no gas. Alright, let's swap over to the DW.
There you go. Did we get new hose clamps with it too?
Yeah, we got everything.
Thank God. These ones are fucking trash. Oh, we got my favorite style. I hate these. The forbidden bed it goes. I want to sit down, but it's wet. 10 points.
We've got her all on. Pump is in. Now let's pressure wash this whole nastiness. Got the Deatschwerks fuel pump all in, the bed's back and bolted down. I pressure washed it out so it's nice and clean. But yeah, she's all ready to go. I think that's gonna be the end of it there, guys. Muggy as shit out here. Peace out.